Iowa's new abortion law could take effect in a matter of days. Today, the Iowa Supreme Court denied Planned Parenthood's request to hear the case. KCCI senior reporter Todd Magel is at the Iowa Supreme Court to tell us what comes next.
The new law bans abortions once cardiac activity is detected. That's usually about 6 weeks into a pregnancy. The Supreme Court ruling means almost all abortions in Iowa would soon become illegal.
As a pro-life advocate, I am very thankful and very grateful that we have the decision that we do.
Christy Judkins is the director of Iowa Right to Life. She had a feeling about Monday's Iowa Supreme Court decision when we spoke with her last week.
We can't change people's minds, but what we want to do is present a logical approach and a information that allows people to reason out why we believe that the baby has the right to exist.
Back in June, the Supreme Court upheld Iowa's new abortion law. It bans most abortions after embryonic cardiac activity can be detected. There are some exceptions to the law, including rape if reported within 45 days, incest if reported within 140 days, and medical emergencies if a mother's life is in danger. The abortion law was put on hold after Planned Parenthood filed for a rehearing in the case. Planned Parenthood has not yet released a statement, but said last week they may file a new legal challenge to the abortion law, and they are prepared to help clients travel out of state for abortions.
For Iowans, that the impact of this is not only going to be widespread, but it's also going to be generational.
A district court judge will now be the one to decide when to lift the injunction. In Des Moines, Todd Magel, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.
And the Right to Life group also said it's going to seek an even stricter abortion law that recognizes life at conception. KCCI is keeping a close eye on this case. You can be the first to know when the injunction is lifted on our app. Turn on alerts to get push notifications when breaking news happens.